How to get Instagram QR code. How to get Instagram QR code. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and log into your account. And once you do that, you want to click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. And from the pop-up menu list at the bottom, you will see the option that says QR code, so click on it. And here you will find your QR code. So feel free to do whatever you want with it. You can share it, you can print it, you can scan it, whatever you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find and get the Instagram account QR code. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.